Another great day trading the morning move on the German DAX. It's been so volatile. It's been absolutely fantastic. However, today really was all about, it's pretty similar to yesterday's trading. You had to get the bias right, step number one, and that came to us from the 1 hour time frame. The one hour time frame right in here on the pro trend system turned from red to green. Now these trend predictors here were just giving us the heads up that momentum was shifting from the downside and we could get a move to the upside. And so once we got that green pro trading system, that fired off the buy signal. It was all about then trying to get long the German DAX from this morning's golden hour. So we went down to the 5-minute chart. There's that buy signal on the 5-minute time frame. It literally went straight up here. Now, some of our traders were already in this, some of us weren't in this trade. So how do you get into a trade when it's just going up and up and up and up? When it's got a green pro trading system, it just flies high. Now you want to be in the trade at the start. You get the signal, it breaks out, you get the bias on the 60-minute right, and then you get the green buy signal, stop underneath the lows automatically generated, and those profit targets are automatically generated. But what happens if you miss the move? How do you get into it? Well, you use a Porsche. The Porsche trading strategy. So this is when the OBS, our oscillating indicator here, drops down below. When it drops down and it's green pro trend system, when it gets near the green, it's like asking to get into the green, because once it gets into the green, we're looking for buy signals. So as it drops in here, even though it turns red on the pro trend system, we can buy again when it drops into the green. Everything we do at Trading College is green is buying, guys. Green is buying, red is selling, okay? So it comes down. We missed the original move, some of us. A lot of traders got it already from the 7 o'clock move. But then once you get that OBS in the pro OBS, overbought, oversold indicator, gets in the green, we're looking to buy it. We buy it. It's a reversion to the mean. It was no doubt probably one of the first trading strategies I ever was taught, okay? Buy the pullback. Get the confirmation that the market's going to go in one direction and then buy the pullback, okay? The first pullback is highly profitable. So we get the pullback and then it pushes higher. I mean, it went 200 points this morning. 200 points. Look, if you're trading this with just £1 a point in a spread betting account or a mini lot in a funded account, you know, you could have made £200, $200, $2,000, $20, £20, whatever you are trading. This is up 200 points. It's been so good, the German DAX. I said to my students that November would be a fantastic trading month, and it is, and it's only halfway through, guys. So what a great move and what a great week it's been in trading the golden hour on the German DAX. The secret is getting that bias right, getting that direction right, and that came to us from the 1 hour time frame. This nice push into green pro trend system, then it was all about buying. Once it gets up here, you can see it turning red now. The move's over. The morning move's over. We're doing this. I'm doing this at sort of 5 o'clock in the evening. So the move's over. Trading's done, long gone. You could have been done after an hour or so of trading this morning, just catching that move and then buying the pullback for the next move. All right. Hope it helps, guys, and I'll speak to you soon.